TCL has always best known for their TV displays. So what happens if a TV display expert makes a smartphone? The answer is the TCL Plex. And this is the company's very first smartphone. So how does it look like? Let's find out. Okay, so here's everything inside the box. Let's go through it one by one. First up, we have some warranty certificate and some quick start guide. Then we have a case, which is hard. Then there is a SIM ejector tool. Then we have a TCL power adapter that supports 18 watt. Then we have the cable, okay. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. Then we have a really touching message from TCL. You guys can read it. Last but not least, we have the TCL Plex that comes in opal white, which has this shiny and pearl color, which looks like the V17 Pro. And at the top, you can see that there is 3 cameras aligned horizontally, and there's 2 LED lights at the sides. And then here you can also see there's a conventional fingerprint scanner and also the TCL logo. Okay, before I move on to this smartphone, let's clean up first. Okay, so this is the TCL Plex, everyone. Ta-da. It's actually very good looking, and one of the unique selling points of this smartphone is its display. Up front, it gets a 6.53-inch LCD Doge display that pushes a Full HD Plus resolution on an LCD panel. Okay, so one of the unique features of this TCL Plex is the NXT Vision, where it promises to give you more contrast and vibrant colors when you're watching videos. The device boasts a dedicated display engine that ensures color accuracy with radiant images using a 6-axis color enhancement feature. It offers SDR to HDR real-time conversion to provide a HDR-like video enhancement. So in layman terms, this device will provide color-accurate and vibrant display. Under the hood, it has a mid-range Snapdragon 665 processor that's mated to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. But can we expand it further? Let's find out. Okay, so you can actually add a micro SD card. Okay, so it is a hybrid slot where you can add 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card or 2 nano SIMs. And in terms of its camera, it comes with a triple camera setup that consists of a 48 megapixel main camera and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The third camera is a dedicated low light camera for videos. Although it has a lower 2 megapixel resolution, the third sensor boasts a large 2.9 micron pixel for brighter videos in dark environments. And at the front, instead of a notch, we'll find a punch hole display that houses the 24 megapixel selfie camera. And in terms of its battery life, it has a 3820 mAh battery that supports Qualcomm Quick Charge via USB-C. And if you're interested, this device is priced at 1,199 ringgit and you can purchase it online from Lazada or Shopee. And what do you think of the TCL Plex? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell icon so you'll receive updates from our future videos. And remember to watch 2 of our videos right over here and another one over here. That's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!